Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zari and you guys are watching Finance Square. Now today it's a very special day because we reach $1 trillion. This is an insane market cap. We almost reached it back in 2018. If I'm not mistaken, we reached around $800 billion, but we just touched $1 trillion. Now, I'm guessing you guys are asking yourself, what is next? This is why I'm making this video, because I'm seeing yet again people are repeating a 2017, 2018 ICO mistake, and I'm here to prevent you from doing those mistakes. Now, in the past few days, I've been publishing and covering my 7-day strategy. Now, the 7-day strategy will help you to build yourself a winning cryptocurrency portfolio with the right leverage. Now, for this specific section, I'm going to be going over what's happening right now and how did my portfolio perform with the big drop we had a few days ago. So let's dig in. Now, to start, I want straight away to MarketCap and actually set up some filters. So the filter that I set up is any gain that was over 20% up to 1000%. Now, the reason why I'm going through this process to show you guys how ridiculous the chase and the hunt for the next cryptocurrency is, and why you should stick to the basic and fundamental. Now, so we're gonna go here and look at the last 24 hours. The last 24 hours, we have a coin called Origin Dollar, which is supposed to be valued at $1. I'm not sure how a coin is supposed to be pegged to $1. Had a 566% gain. You figure. I have no idea. Now, the next coin we have here is BZE SURE. If you look here at the market cap is very, very small. Now, the volume here is 0. So let's look here at the one that had the highest volume. Okay, so the highest volume here we had XRP. So XRP, I think at some point was even 33 cents. So again, there's obviously a lot of scandal around it. So if you are looking to invest in XRP, please be cautious. The next one, we had a very nice rally with Stellar or XLM, where we had in the last 7 days 170% gain on last 24 hours, 33%. Now, you guys probably gonna know that I didn't add XLM to my 7-day strategy. Now, if you look here, we have other cryptocurrencies that are now literally going up. And you need to look at always the market cap is. The strategy is as follows. The smaller the market cap is, the easier it is for the price to go up. It's also easier for the cryptocurrency or the product to be manipulated. Now, we have coin that we haven't heard in a while. We have here Verge. I don't know why it's gray out. That made 69% in the last 24 hours. You have Sia coin that we didn't really hear a lot. They have a market cap of $218 million. We have different projects that you didn't really hear. You just recently start hearing about it. This has a $2 million of market cap. So I guess, again, if you are looking to take a risk, take a gamble, you probably can take it. Will you be successful? Maybe yes, maybe no. Will you know when to go out? Probably no. If you're looking now to enter the coin that already went up, you're probably looking to have, if you went up already by 80% or 100%, if you look at XLM by 169%, for example, you decide to go all in. You put all in on XLM, even use leverage. So let's say I made some corrections. You went all in $10,000. Leverage 2 or leverage even 10, so that worth $100,000. XLM has a correction of 50%. You're out. You're out. Why take this risk? The market is now in your favor. The market is going up. Why be taking all this ridiculous, unnecessary chances and risks? If you're gonna gamble and take those risks, please be my guest. Just put all the money you want on any coin and hope for the best. Now, this is not the channel. This channel is about making smart decisions and using the market in your favor. This is why I tend to select coin that I believe that has potential, and I split my risk. One of the way I do it is allocation different amount of money, and also use
different leverage. Now this is just for you to have an idea. Now we have now even a new trend of football club that are being listed. They have their own token that are being listed on several exchanges. Now just think about from your perspective. Who is more likely to benefit from it? Obviously the football team. The fan, not really. Unless you were gifted, unless you bought it before it got listed, your chances are making money is probably very slim. And if you're gonna look at what is the price after a few days, then you're probably not gonna be very happy. So I'm just trying to see here. Let's look at Juventus fan token. So the Juventus fan token has a $13 million market cap, and here, I don't know, even though it showed here it went up. So what's the current price? Is $9. It was $2 when it got listed. I think even at some point it had a big crash. So let's you decide to buy. You really got into it. You know what? Let me give it a chance. Go into it around $20, $15. Now it's around $9, 9.87. This is why I'm doing this video, because I'm seeing too many people that are doing the same mistake that back then I even did it. Back then even a few of my customers also did this mistake, and I'm here to help you not do this mistake. So this is a very important video for you guys to watch, because you should only focus on two things: coin that you feel comfortable to hold for many years, and coin that you believe in. If you don't believe in a coin, why invest in this coin? So let's give you another example. You wouldn't buy a house in a neighborhood that is distressed and there is a lot of issue, there's a lot of problem, crime, many different issues. You wouldn't buy a house there. You wouldn't move there. So if you wouldn't move there, why are you buying a house and in theory losing money because you're investing in something that maybe the situation will be fixed, maybe not? Why not invest in a current project that has been consistent, that have been creating product, that have been partnering with many blockchain and companies, and they have been communicating what they have been doing? And I'm seeing a lot of projects that haven't been doing it are getting too much of your money being poured into it, and at some point you guys gonna lose this money. Now I'm gonna go back now briefly and explain to you my 7-day crypto strategy. So my 7-day crypto strategy is meant to make 20, 40, and 60. Now on the first day that actually I took the prices of cryptocurrency, I actually did a mistake. I just looked at the current price, and that day there was a very big flash crash. For those who remember, we had Ethereum dropping to 890, Bitcoin around $27,000 or $28,000. So I actually did a mistake. So I actually corrected the prices to reflect the lowest price they reached that day. So in this case, on a low risk with leverage 2 with this specific allocation, would have lost 29%, or will be in a negative 29%. On a medium risk, which I use here, a leverage 5 and different allocation, would it be a minus 65%. Now with the high risk, which I call leverage 10 or more, I would have lost more than $2,000. Basically, I'll be out of the money. I won't have any money. So this is how risky and how volatile this market is, and this is why you shouldn't put your money all in. You should find a few cryptocurrency. In this case, I took few cryptocurrency that I think are quite good. I'm sure there's many other you can obviously think about and consider, but this is really to help you to make sure that you do not do this mistake. I'm sure you guys work so hard for this money, and if you are looking to gamble, then gamble. Take a risk and gamble, but please think about your investment as if you were to move in right now to this project and live in this area. If that's not the case, probably it's not a good idea. The only reason why you should invest in project because you understand potential and where it can go beyond. So for example, Bitcoin. Everyone believed that Bitcoin will go up to $100,000, $50,000, even $1 million in 10 years time or whenever. this will make sense. Even Ethereum, there's a lot of use case around it. So just think about what project in the worst case scenario, even now, let's say go from $1,200, the current price of Ethereum, to $600, even $400. Regardless, you still believe in it and you're still going to be buying and purchasing more. So obviously I'm following the market quite tightly and I'm watching it. I think everything is going according to the plan. The market is currently in our favor, but again, if you watch my yesterday video, I'm expecting this year to have a major news that will affect dramatically the cryptocurrency, which will probably be related to Tether, USDT, and any stablecoin that is not backed or audited by an official accounting firm. So this is my summary for today. I hope this was very clear. Until next time, bye bye.